this is some of the images that is currently trending on almost every social media app, either on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and so many other social media apps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or generate these AI images. And on this video, the images in which you are seeing was generated by me. I generate all these images, so you also can do same, just if you follow the certain procedures and certain steps which I'm going to show you, and you are going to generate any kind of images in which you can imagine. All you need to do is to just key in the words, describe the images, and this AI app which I'm going to show you will generate all these images in which you can see for you automatically. So if you find this video interesting, please click on the subscribe, like, and turn on the notification for more of this kind of videos. So first, you go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you go to your search bar, then type this app called Bing, B-I-N-G. Once you type this app, it's going to bring up the app. Then the next thing you have to do is to download it into your mobile phone. You click on the install button. Once you click on the install, it's going to download this app into your phone. And once this app finished downloading, the next thing you have to do is to click on the open. Once you open this app, I'm going to show you how it looks like. You can see it's actually downloading. The size of the file is 104 megabytes, so it's not that much. So once we are done downloading the file, the next thing you have to do is this. You click on the open. Once you click on the open, it's going to show you this appearance. This is how it looks, being powered by AI and ChatGPT. You click on continue to ask me anything. So once you click on it, this is what it shows. Then you click on allow. Then the next thing you have to come to this particular page. The next thing you have to do is you have to create an account before you can start using this app. Then you click on this place. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you to tap to sign in. This is where you click. Then next thing you have to click on Microsoft account or work or school account, but you have to click on Microsoft account. Once you click on it, is either you have an account with Microsoft or you create a new one. So we'll create a new one. Once you click it, this is what it shows. You just type any name or any name in which you want to use to create the Microsoft account. For me, I'm going to be using this JTGAI, which is what I want to use for mine. So after clicking on it, then you select at outlook.com, then you click on next. Once you click on next, this is the next thing that comes. It tells you to put in the password. So this is the password in which I click. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like for it to be recommended to other people that might be searching for how to generate these AI images that are currently trending. So you put in your surname, then you select the country in which you are, but you can select any country in whichsoever you wish. It doesn't really matter. Then after selecting the country, I'll be selecting Ghana, which is my current location. Then you select your date of birth, your month of birth, and the date of birth and the year in which you were born. You can just generate any year or any date of birth. Then the next thing we have to do is this. After putting in the date of birth and the year of birth, then we click on the next. So it's going to generate an account for us to use to create this AI image. Then you click on next. Once you click on next, you see this. What you have to do is that you have to look at the angle of the hand, then adjust these things to the angle of the hand, which is what I just did, and verification is completed. So now the next thing you have to do is that you have to now go to create the AI image, which we're going to do right now. So you can see I'm already signed in. I already have an account. So now what you want to do is this. To create this AI image, you have to go to this place, which is create image creator. That's where you'll be going. You can see it on your screen, the image creator. Leave these other ones in which you are seeing. You have to go to the image creator, then click it. This is where it's going to show you how you are going to generate this AI image. And this AI image is anything you can imagine. All you need to do is to just imagine or type in whatsoever you want this AI app to create for you, and it's going to create it. Now we are creating an image, so now we click on create me an image of a Ghana Ghanaian mom taking her children to school. So that's the image in which we want to create, and we're also going to create some other images for you to see how this AI really looks like and how simple it is. You can see it's being created, and you can see on this place where they put the 15 coins, that's actually 15 coins, that they give you 15 chances to create an AI image every day by day. So any images, once you've exceeded your 15 coins, you have to wait for the next day before they'll give you another coin. So you can see these images that were created with just what I typed. I just click on create and these images were created. You can see how nicely this image looks like. After creating these images, you can download it easily. You can just click on this button and click on download. It's very simple to download, and once you click on it, it downloads these images, these AI images, directly into your mobile phone, and with that you can be able to share it. So now let's create another AI image. For this one, we are going on a different direction, not using the Ghanaian model, but now we are going a different direction by saying generate an AI image of me as a superhero. Even though this AI app doesn't know me, but it will just, then you click on generate, then it will generate any image. It just assume it doesn't know me, but it will generate any image that actually looks like me. It can be anybody, but all we needed is just an AI image. I don't need my face to be on it. So it's going to generate this AI image, and this is currently what is trending everywhere. So these are the images in which this AI app generated for me as a superhero. So you can see all these images that were created just automatically, and all these AI images are free of charge. You don't need to pay for it. There are some apps in which you go online, you have to pay to generate an AI image, but all these ones are free AI images which you can use on your profile, use to post on your social media accounts, and so many others. So thank you for watching. I believe you find this video very interesting, and this channel is solely based on unboxing, review, and giving you all kinds of tutorial of any kind of trending tech stuff that is actually going on out there. So if you find this video, please don't forget to like, share this video to other people so that they can get to know, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Have a blessed day.